Welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. I know the market's been disgusting. You've seen disgusting drops. I've made lots of analysis videos in this time and you're going to see them. You probably already have. This is the third one I'm doing. Stick around, like and subscribe. I want to share my thoughts on the market, show you what I'm seeing in these charts, get my perspective on it. If it sounds interesting, drop the like. I think it can help. Really pay attention, please. Now's a really good time to sell. Now's a really good time to subscribe. They both begin with S. Right. This is where we are with Bitcoin right now. I'm going to explain this yellow move. I don't think this yellow move is going to happen right now. And I'll tell you what, if this yellow move did happen, I promise you I'll be buying huge amounts of crypto. I don't think it's going to happen right now. I'll tell you the likelihood, all right? This is the 3-day time frame for Bitcoin. Many people don't show you this. I've got here these blue, green, and gold zones for what I would consider to be my realistic target if Bitcoin was to bounce and come back up, right? Right now, Bitcoin's $81,800. And each candle takes about 3 days of price action. So the next candle will be on the 24th of November, 3 days time. Now, I'm going to try and get these videos up as quick as I can. If you're seeing this video on the 25th or the 26th, I'm sorry, I'm trying to get them up as quick as I can. But obviously, I've got videos that need to come out. So you will see it, and then it will obviously show you if the prediction and how it comes across. I think, right, and if we just take a look at the back, I think that in the future we will see a relief rally. I think we will. There's too much capitulation. There's people right now just panic selling. Look, and this is what smart money wants. It wants you to panic sell so it can gobble up as much as it can quick, so it can, ride another rally before they can sell again. It happens all the time, right? So let's take a look at this. When did we last break this red line? Because we broke the green line. When did we last break the red line? Have we ever broke the red line? Take a look at this. Let's just have a quick look. Last time we broke the red line was here, and then when we did break the red line, it was many months to come, because it's a 3-day time frame. Many weeks and months to come, we finally got to the bottom, and it was about a 59-60% drop. It was disgusting. This shows an example of how prices don't just come collapsing down in the space of 1 or 2 days. Like I said, if it did, I would buy it. I would buy huge amounts. If this just went dark red, I don't think it will. This already proves how long it takes for you to actually finally get to the bottom to see a 60% drop from here. It takes weeks and weeks and weeks and months and months and months and months to finally get to here, right? And actually, if you like, I'll do a little price, a time range, a date range. So from here, when it finally gets the red candle underneath to the bottom, which is about here, that's 201 days. So you count 200 days from now. Even 180 days is 6 months from now. December, January, February, March, April, May. So by come May of next year, 2026, is likely when we might see the bottom, if it was to follow this trajectory. Let's take a look at the past. When are we breaking this red line? Look, we usually break this red line when we've seen, when we're about to see a huge capitulative drop. So actually, two theories then. Two theories. I was going to make a video about about a week and a half ago saying maybe we're deeper in this bear market than what people think. Could the bear market be over longer or quicker? Or could it be like a shorter bear? I don't know. But look, if we was to see this, and I really don't think we will, but if we was to see this 49% dip, this is why I keep telling you I'm going to buy. If we was to see it, now we come across this red line and dip down to here, like in the next few weeks, it just goes just kaplonk. I'm telling you now, I will buy huge amounts. Because look at it. You only tend to see this massive 40-50% dip when it's at the bottom of its market. And that would confirm it's the bottom, which means it would have been the first time ever that we've had the quickest bear market you've ever seen in this life. Because again, it usually takes a very long time for this to unfold. You think about it from the top, look at it. The top of the market's here, right? Top of the market's here. How long did it take for the top of the market to finally break the red line, and start to see candle underneath? It took 302 days. You see? Look, top of the market, well, it was here. Most of the sentiment was here. But let's just say this bit here, right? Let's just say, right? How long did it take until you saw from the top of this to finally get to the red line and break it? Around about here, it took 167 days. So where are we now then? Because if this is the top of the market, right? And I know I've got all these lines and stuff and trying to make it clean, right? If this was the top of the market here, which, 124,000, whatever it was, and now it's getting down here, that's only 48 days. It's if it falls down, I'm telling you, guys, if it falls down here and we see a 50% drop, I'm putting huge money in. Because that would be the bottom, and I don't think it's going to do that. I think that we're going to, it's different this time around. I feel like we will see a bounce back because we haven't seen a relief rally yet. So yes, we see candles underneath, but I do feel like we could come back above. And this hasn't closed yet. So within the next 3 days, right, this red candle could turn green. Within the next 3 days, it could turn green and it could start to come back up, and then we might get a candle close back above. So these are the things that I'm looking for to see if it can do it, right? To see if it will turn green. Like we've seen a sell-off, maybe smart people will buy it, it'll come back above and hold support. We might get a green candle underneath. I'll watch this closely. But the realistic target is, if we do see a relief rally, this blue box would be the realistic target, right? So now I can take this green thing, bring it down, because now I can see how deep this is coming. That's about a 41% pump to the top of this blue bar, the blue zone. Hopeful, you hope it comes up here. Wishful thinking, I don't think it's gonna. But now I've got a realistic target of where I think the prices could go and where I would consider taking profits. And if you look, this blue zone goes from anything from $109,000 to $115,000. Should we see that relief rally come back up, right? So I just wanted to share that with you. Take a look at the support levels of where it's holding. It's holding support from back March 2025, April 2025. It's holding support levels here. So we will see if it can hold it here, because I can see if I draw like a line, you can see this is, well, not even down there. It's not even down that low yet. So we're getting sort of support leveled here, right? So we'll see if it can hold it. I will keep bringing you updates on this and show you what happens in the future. If it was helpful, drop the like and subscribe. Stick around, like and subscribe, become a Patreon. Best time, because they're going to know when I'm officially just getting out of this market. I'm waiting for a relief rally, and I'm just going to sell as much as I can, take some massive gains, and yeah, sit back and share more helpful content. You'll still see some stuff. You'll still see some high risk plays, because in a bear market you can still make mad gains. Because if that's what's it called, Santa Inu that I recently shared hasn't shown you that. Massive gains. I shared that at a 15k cap, that Santa Inu. What's it sitting on now? Still 113, still up in profit. It's down, but still up in profit, because I shared it at a 15k market cap, which was right down here to my Satoshis. So we're still up massively in that, 600%, and it went higher. And I think it will still do well, because if the altcoins start to run and it's December and it's a Santa rally, and I think Christmas coins can move, this could certainly still fly. So this is the only thing that I have hope for right now. Just got to keep it real. So if you want to buy anything, not financial advice, do what you want to do, this is what I'm looking at. That could probably bring serious profits in a rally, in a Santa rally that comes in December. So guys, stick around, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Go check out my other videos where I speak about these other charts, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.